Right, Bossy? How you feeling about your very first recital?
Good.
Good? Are you nervous? Good. You shouldn't be nervous. How about you? How are you feeling this morning?
I'm feeling good.
Are you? Great. Olivia, how do you feel?
Not nervous.
Guys, that's fantastic.
I really just am like,
It is what it is.
what is this? Stop my thing. I said this over and I said, it is what it is.
Then why do I feel more nervous than all of you?
I don't know.
I don't either.
think we're gonna
It's because.
fail you.
Are you kidding me, Cody? No way, not even a million.
I think I'm gonna fail you.
Do you realize there's not a way that you can fail me?
Unless you crash the car.
No, not even. It's impossible. In fact, you could literally do anything and you would never fail me.
She'd get mad, but she would.
Yeah. Okay, the actual reason that I am nervous is because I never practiced when I was young, and so anytime I went to a recital, I was never prepared and I always did terrible.
Welcome everybody to the recital that we have every year. I've got a couple of new students. Some of my students weren't able to be here last time, but we've got a little sibling of one of them that's brand new, Boston. We just stand up and say hi to everybody. You are not scared. Nope, you're not. And then Avery, this is her first time playing, and we're really happy to have her too. I don't want this to be a nervous thing. I know you're all nervous, but you know I don't expect you to play perfect. I just want you to have fun with what you do. If you didn't have to memorize it though and perform, you just wouldn't practice enough to get a song ready to show anybody. So this is kind of important to your education, okay? Let's give Boston a hand and help him. Hold on. So let's give Boston a big hand and help him up.
I will be playing Banjo Twang arranged by The Camel Train by William Baines.
playing Jazz Suite No. 2 by Glenda Austin.